curl of a vector problems. In this class we discuss about the curl of a vector and problems related to curl. Find curl f bar. Find curl f bar. Find curl f bar where f bar is equal to grad x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Solution: let pi is equal to, we take this value is pi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First find grad pi is equal to del pi, that is equal to I bar into dou pi by dou x plus j bar into dou pi by dou y plus k bar into dou pi by dou z. Dou pi by dou I bar into dou pi by dou x plus j bar into dou pi by dou y plus k bar into dou pi by dou z. This is, we take equation 1, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, y, z. Dou pi by dou x is equal to, with respect to x is x cube derivative 3x square. Here this is y, z terms are constant. With respect to x is 1 into minus 3yz is minus 3yz. Dou pi by dou y is equal to 3y square minus 3xz. Next dou pi by dou z is equal to 3z square minus 3xy. Therefore grad pi is equal to I bar into dou pi by dou x is 3x square minus 3yz plus j bar into 3y square minus 3xz plus k bar into 3z square minus 3xy. Next we are finding curl f bar. Curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar is equal to I bar, j bar, k bar. Del coefficients of I, j, k are dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next grad pi, f bar is equal to what, where f bar is grad pi. Here this is f bar value, f bar is equal to grad pi. I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients are 3x square minus 3yz, 3y square minus 3xz, next 3z square minus 3xy. Expand this determinant, I bar into dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz minus j bar into dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3x square minus 3yz plus k bar into dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of this is dou by dou y of dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz. Simplify this, I bar into, with respect to y is, here this is constant 0, with respect to y is minus 3x minus with respect to z is 1 into minus 3x is minus 3x plus minus j bar into, with respect to x is 1 minus 3y square. Next with respect to z is 1 minus 3y minus 3xy, this is not 3y square, 3y plus k bar into with respect to x is minus 3z, with respect to y is 1 minus 3z, that is equal to minus 6x into I bar minus 6y into j bar minus 6z into k bar, minus 6x into I bar minus 6y into j bar minus 6z into k bar. Here we get minus not minus 6x, here minus is there, minus of minus plus, here also minus of minus plus, here also minus of minus plus, that is minus 3x minus 4x, that is 0, 0x 0y, next 0, that is equal to total value is 0. Therefore curl f bar here, that implies curl f, if curl f bar is equal to 0, curl f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is an irrotational vector, irrotational, f bar is an irrotational vector. Next problem, if f bar is equal to x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1 into I bar plus j bar minus x plus y into k bar, then show that f bar dot curl f bar is equal to 0. First find curl f bar. Solution, given f bar is equal to, first find curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar, that is equal to I bar j bar k bar. Next dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next f coefficients of I j k are x plus y plus 1, j coefficient is 1, this is minus x minus y or minus of x plus y. Next expand this determinant, curl f bar is equal to I bar into dou by dou I of minus x minus y, next to dou by dou z of 1 minus j bar into dou by dou x of minus x minus y minus dou by dou z of x plus y plus 1 plus k bar into dou by dou x of 1 minus dou by dou y of x plus y plus 1. Then differentiate partially with respect to xy, I bar into with respect to y is 1, this is minus 1, this is 0, minus j bar into this is also minus 1. Next with respect to z is, here no z terms, 0 plus k bar into respect to 1 0, this is respect to y minus 1, that is equal to minus I bar plus j bar plus minus k bar. This is curl f bar value, but we have to find LHS f bar dot curl f bar is equal to, f bar value is x plus y plus 1 into I bar plus j bar minus x plus y plus 1 into k bar, x plus y into k bar dot curl f bar value is minus I bar plus j bar minus k bar. We know that the vector dot product is I bar is equal to 1, j bar is equal to 1, k bar is equal to 1. Remaining all terms I dot j, I dot k are 0. Here vector dot product I dot I 1. Here this is minus 1 into x plus y plus 1 into minus 1. Next j dot j 1 plus 1. This is k minus of minus plus x plus y, that is equal to minus x minus y minus 1 plus x plus y. All the terms are cancelled, therefore it is equal to 0. F bar dot curl F bar is equal to 0, that is RHS. Show that curl F bar dot curl F bar is equal to 0. Next, prove that this is very important problem. Prove that if r bar is the position vector, prove that if r bar is the position vector of any point in the space, the space that is nothing but 3-dimensional space, then r power n into r bar is irrotational vector, is an irrotational vector, or show that curl r power n into r bar is equal to 0. Here a solution, this is also important problem. Already we completed. Show that divergence of r power n into r bar is equal to n plus 3 into r power n, that completed. Next now we are show that curl r power n into r bar value is 0. Here in the given question r terms are there. First we have to take, let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar be the position vector, already given, position vector in the region of the in the region of 3-dimensional space, Next find mod r bar is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Since mod r bar is equal to r, that is r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, that implies r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. We take that is equation 1. Then differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, y, z. That is first with respect to x, r square derivative 2r, r derivative with respect to x is dou r by dou x, x square derivative is 2x, 2 get cancelled, that implies dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Next with respect to y, r square derivative 2r, with respect to y is dou r by dou y is equal to 2y, 2 get cancelled, that is dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Next 2r into dou r by dou z is equal to 2z, that implies dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. First take r bar is the position vector, then take mod r bar. Since mod r bar equal to r square equal to, we get x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiate partially with respect to x, y, z, we get dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z. Then go to the given question. LHS is curl r power n into r bar is equal to del cross r power n into r bar value is xi bar r power n into xi bar plus r power n into yj bar plus r power n into zk bar. Already we know the del value, I bar, j bar and I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z. Then apply the vector I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next here r power n into x, r power n into y, r power n into z. Expand this, we get r power n into I bar into dou by dou y of r power n into z minus dou by dou z of r power n into y minus j bar into dou by dou x of r power n into z minus dou by dou z of r power n into x plus k bar into dou by dou x of r power n into y minus dou by dou y of r power n into x. Then expand this, we get dou by dou y of r power n into z. Here z is a constant, but r power n is a function in terms of x, y, z. Z into n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou z value. Dou r by dou value is with respect to y is dou r by dou y minus this is with respect to z, again this is with respect to y, with respect to z is y into n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou z plus minus j bar into next n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x into z minus with respect to z is n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou z into x. Next plus k bar into n into r power n minus 1 with respect to x is dou r by dou x into y minus n into r power n minus 1 with respect to y is dou r by dou y into x. So substitute all the values. Here dou r by dou y value, dou r by dou x value, dou r by dou z value. Substitute that x by r, y by r and z by r, dou r by dou x. After simplification we get here n into r power n minus 1 into here n into r power n minus 1 into this value is dou r by dou value is y by r, yz. Here also we get this term cancel, I bar into 0 minus j bar into 0 plus k bar into 0. Substitute that values and simplify that, we get 0. Therefore curl f bar is an irrotational vector. Therefore curl r power n into r bar value is also 0. Or it is an r power n into r bar is an irrotational vector. If curl f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is said to be an irrotational vector.